Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Confirm your ISP reports no outage and your account is current. Once done, check physical placement so the router is elevated and not near interference. Now power cycle both modem and router. Unplug for 30 seconds, then restore power to modem first. Wait for sync, then router. This clears temporary faults and forces devices to renegotiate connections, which often restores stable Wi-Fi quickly. Once the hardware is stable, run diagnostics on your device. Ping 8 or use built-in network tests to isolate internet versus local issues. Make sure your device is connected to the correct SSID and security type matches. If needed, forget the network and re-add credentials to clear cached errors. Then check router firmware and update Wi-Fi drivers on your computer or phone so known bugs are fixed. Updating is critical. To finish, optimize channel and bands. Switch to 4 GHz to channel 1, 6, or 11 to reduce overlap, and prefer 5 GHz for nearby devices that need speed. Then configure CoS to prioritize video or work devices so latency improves for critical tasks. If persistent faults remain, back up your router config and perform a factory reset. Restore settings carefully. If this fails, contact your ISP, ask them to check line signals. Troubleshooting tip: log signal levels and errors to speed technician diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.